Elgato Ring Light, a game changer in the live streaming and video production industry. Given our experience and the rave reviews from users worldwide, we've concluded that it's the top-tier streaming ring light of this year. Lighting is an essential element in video production, photography, and live streaming. The Elgato Ring Light is a revolutionary tool that significantly enhances your production quality by providing highly adjustable, brilliant illumination tailored to your requirements. Its adjustable color temperature and bright, flicker-free lights make it an ideal choice for live streams, video calls, and more. If you're seeking consistent premium lighting for your projects, you're in the right place. Upon unboxing, you'll find the ring light, an S-mount, a camera ball mount, a power supply, and a handy quick start guide. Although it might seem large initially, once assembled, the ring light is compact and space efficient. The package includes a table stand with clamps that can be adjusted for height and a versatile power supply with plugs, allowing you to use the light anywhere in the world. The control center for the ring light is conveniently located on the base, where you can also attach your preferred webcam or video camera. What sets the Elgato Ring Light apart from its competitors are its customizable color and brightness controls. You can download the Elgato Control Center onto your smartphone or computer to manage the ring light's parameters, including turning it on and off. This feature is particularly useful for live streamers who need to manage their broadcast equipment without interrupting their streaming. The ring light's dual diffused layers provide a soft, flattering glow on the face, making you look and feel like a star. With a brightness of up to 2500 lumens, the ring light offers intense illumination that can be dimmed to suit your needs. The adaptable lights can be adjusted to match any environment, and the color temperature ranges from 2900 to 7000 K. Furthermore, its color rendering index, CRI, exceeds 94%, ensuring accurate color representation. Good stuff.